Today, we're jumping into the fascinating realm of atoms, molecules, and the secrets behind elements and compounds. Get ready for a mind-expanding adventure. Alright, so let's tackle the mystery of elements and compounds. An element is like the rock star of the periodic table, composed of only one type of atom. It's the building block, the atomic superstar. Meet carbon, the versatile element, symbol C. It's the backbone of life, found in everything from pencils to pizzas. Pretty cool! Now, we're going to delve into compounds. Picture a chemical partnership where elements unite to form something completely unique. Born out of the unity of disparate elements through chemical bonds, we have a compound. Consider carbon dioxide, not just one element, but a compound formed by carbon and oxygen. Their symbols, C and O. The chemical formula, CO2. It's like the recipe for a chemical concoction. Time for a hands-on moment. These are models of atoms and molecules. Each ball is an atom, and when they stick together, they create molecules. Let's dive into an example. Iron, symbol Fe, is an element. Sulfur, symbol S, is another element. When these two elements bond, they form iron sulfide, a compound. Fes. Now let's flex those chemistry muscles with some practice problems. Grab your thinking caps. Practice problem 1. What is the chemical symbol for magnesium? Practice problem 2. If you have 3 oxygen atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms, what compound does that make? Practice problem 3. Name 2 elements that, when combined, create the compound known as water. Fantastic job, budding chemists! Remember, atoms are the building blocks, elements are the soloists, and compounds are the chemical collaborations that create new substances. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and stay curious. If you enjoyed unraveling the secrets of chemistry, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.